I purchased this cheap Chinese knockoff of a Nintendo Switch Lite off everyone's favorite website, Temu. This knockoff Switch Lite cost me $47.80 compared to the price of a real one at $130 for a used one. In this video, we're going to fully unbox and review this Temu Switch Lite, and we are also going to see how it compares and stacks up to the real deal from Nintendo, and we're starting right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I got something very special for you guys. I picked up myself this right here, this Nintendo Switch Lite replica, ripoff, Chinese knockoff, whatever you want to call it, off of Temu. Now I bought this thing for $40. It cost me $47.80 in total. So in this video we're gonna unbox this and see what this thing is all about and see what it has to offer. So starting us off, it says here on the back, we got an operating system. It says MLEC 4.3. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says MLEC 4.3. It says simulator. So let's unbox this thing and see what it's all about. So let's open this bad boy up. Already it is way smaller, and I haven't even taken out the package yet. I can tell you right away this thing is tiny. So let's open this up here, or not open it up, but take this out the package. And oh my god, this thing is tiny. Look at this. Wow, this thing is very small. It looks like we got ourselves a USB port here. We got a headphone jack here. Looks like a TF card here. Oh, there's actually one in here. Hold on. What's in here? We got a 128. Can you guys see that? We got a 128 gigabyte micro SD card already in here. So it already comes with one. Wow. Then we got on off. It looks like we got one speaker on this. Oh, we're gonna have to open this up and see, because it looks like we got one speaker. Because look it, there's holes right here, and you can see there's holes for a speaker, 8 holes for a speaker, but only on this side the holes actually go through the case. You see it? Because on this side the holes are plugged up, so I'm pretty sure there's no speaker here. So you might just have one speaker right here. But we got a L1, L2, R1. Wow, this button's kind of stiff actually. Oh no. You just gotta you can't press it on the side, it doesn't work. You gotta kind of press it on the top, literally like directly on top, because this one works all over the place. This one doesn't. Look it only works. Listen, you can hear the click. Listen. You hear this one clicks all over. Listen to this one. It only clicks on top. Alright, let's turn this bad boy on and see what we got. Well, this is turning on. Let's see what else we got in the box. So it looks like we got a user manual here, and it looks like it's in Chinese. Yep, it's in complete Chinese. Oh no, we got an English part. Power. Yeah, you know what? I'm not even going to attempt to read this. I don't even care. Put that to the side, and we got our, I don't know why I'm so close to the camera. I opened it up and I put my hand so close to the camera to show it to you guys. Well, we got a charger, USB-C. And it obviously plugs in right here. Bam. And then you can charge it. Alright, so this thing is still loading, as you can see. Oh, I think it just finished.
20 minutes later.
Oh, here we go. Sony PSP, 302 games. My games favorites. Also, it is a complete emulator. All games. Holy guys, do you see this? There's 22,361 games on here. That is insane. That's an insane amount of games. What do we have? Damn. This thing's got a lot of games. Let's just click all games and just start scrolling through, I guess. Oh, I'm pressing B. Pressing the wrong button. So let's just go all games and start scrolling through. We got, oh my god, we got Batman Return. We got Batman Returns. Let's see what this is all about, guys. 1992. Whew. Oh my god. I hope this video doesn't get copyrighted from all these games. I mean, yeah, guys, I can tell there's one speaker. Yeah, there's only a speaker here. The sound is only coming out of here. Because I block it. Listen. You hear it only muffles on that side. But if you guys definitely want to see a video where I take this apart and we look inside to see what's really inside this thing, make sure you drop a like and leave a comment down below letting me know you want me to open it up, and I will. I will make sure I leave a video that shows me opening up, and we'll dive and see exactly what is inside of this cheap Temu console. Because I don't know about you, but the more and more I use this, the more and more curious I am to see exactly what's inside of here. Oh, 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 am I even like, what the f going on? Oh, oh, stop throwing bombs at me. Dude, what is that? They're throwing bombs or shooting me.
20 minutes later.
There's no sound now. There's no sound coming from it now. There's zero sound coming from it now. Alright, so what's, whoa. I hit select, so select changes the screen. Like, I don't, how would you even guys, tell me how would you play like this? So, alright, you want to switch games, you gotta shut it off and turn it back on if you want to switch games. This plastic, just, it feels like honestly, it feels like it just feels cheap. These buttons feel cheap too. Oh, whoa, whoa, hey, hold up. We got GTA Vice City Stories. Hold up. Let's hide this from Rockstar, bro. Rockstar is gonna be the one to sue me for copyright, bro. Vice City Stories. Oh my god, yeah, this brings back so many memories. Oh my god, I haven't watched this in so long, yo. Okay, hold up. Here we go, now we're in action. So, okay, first of all, you can't turn the volume down. That's kind of cap. The controls are completely wrong. It's stuck on PSP controls. It's unplayable. It's literally unplayable. Moving on. Alright, let's turn it off and turn it back on. Alright, one thing I need you guys to... Whoa. One thing I need you guys to understand is this thing has a stupid amount of games on it. I mean, what was it? Over 20,000 games? I mean, that's ridiculous. But I mean, I found Need for Speed Most Wanted, guys. I mean, found it, baby. Def Jam, Fight for New York. This thing lags so much, bro, and it's like I press the buttons and sometimes it doesn't register, bro. Like, this thing's kind of kind of garbage, to be honest. So my overall opinion for this is it's honestly not that bad. Like, if you want to sit back and you want to play all the OG games, all the old games from back in the days of when you first started gaming, this is a great way to do it. And for $40, the amount of games you have on here is insane. Because if you think, a lot of these games are probably like, what, $2 a piece now? $1 a piece? So if you think 20,000 games, you'd spend $1 a piece to get those games, that's $20,000 just to get the amount of games that are on here. Even at 50 cents a piece, that's still $10,000 you'll have to spend to get all the games that are on here. So for 40 bucks, that's not that bad. And it's in a little convenient handheld, and like I said, you can play all the OG games. Because I was looking, there's Zelda on here, there's Street Fighter, there's Mortal Kombat, like the old Mortal Kombat, there's GTA on here, as you saw in the video, like there's Tomb Raider. Like, I'm talking the OG Tomb Raider, like, everything's on here. And it's crazy. And, I mean, I'm not even going to whip out a real Nintendo Switch Lite because it doesn't compare to it at all. Because this thing lags a lot and everything, and the audio cuts out a lot. And it's just, to play the OG games and all the old games, it's pretty good. But, leave a comment down below letting me know. And we'll take this apart and we'll try modifying it and see what we can do to make it faster and make it even play better games. Maybe we can even make it go HD quality, who knows? If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this where we unbox and test some more Temu knockoff consoles, then leave a comment down below telling me you want to see more Temu consoles. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss those videos when they go live. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.